this video, I'll go through a new AI design tool that we can use freely for print on demand. It also handles text on images exceptionally well. And by the way, this is not Flux Pro, so it's completely a new tool that you might have not heard of it before. Throughout this video, I'll show you how to fine-tune your prompts to get the best possible results for your designs. And whether you're already familiar with this tool or not, this is a game changer. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. You're watching Sketchaa Merch Design channel, where we dive into print-on-demand strategies and design tips. So let's jump in. So at the time of recording this video, this website is completely free. It has no limits for any user. I'll leave a link in the description that will take you directly to this website. And the website that I'm talking about is Vivago.ai. When you go to Vivago.ai, you can sign up for free. The website has many tools that you can use, like text to image and also video generation, but we're only interested in the text to image tool or function. So if you go to the home screen, you will find many examples of previously generated AI images. And on the left side, you can see the tools or the options, the features that you can use. If you press on the AI tools section, you can see that the website has many additional tools that we can use for print on demand, like image enhancement and magic eraser. Press on the image generation to go to the menu where you can generate your image. You can see that the model or the models that the website is providing are only two, the anime model and the polyart model. So let's choose the polyart model and an aspect ratio of 3:4, which is perfect for print on demand. And in the prompt box, let's add our first prompt. I'm adding this prompt, an alcohol ink art style illustration of an owl with a crescent moon shaped collar. The rest of the prompt is in front of you. So once you have your prompt ready, you can use the magic prompt button, which is below the prompt box, to enhance your prompt, or you can simply use the prompt as is and press on the generate button. Just make sure to use the polyart model for now, because this is the one that generates the best results in the styles that we want for print on demand. Once you press on the generate button, the images will start appearing on the right side. So my first prompt generated nice watercolor effect, Halloween themed. The style is very nice, but the background is not ideal for print on demand, unless of course you remove it using other tools or cut it to fit a t-shirt or a mug, for example. So let's add a vector style illustration to our prompt to get a slightly different result. And again, as you can see, the result looks really nice. Vector style image with sharp and clean lines. But again, the background is not perfect for print on demand. We will have to remove it or cut it to fit our print on demand websites. So what I'm going to do is to add an additional part to the prompt on a plain white background contour, so that I tell Vivago.ai to have it on a clean background, and the contour makes sure to have it like as a one shape removed background, and the result is perfect. Clean vector illustration on a white background that can be easily removed to fit print on demand. So when you are happy with your design, you can press on the download button to download your design and use it either to upscale it or to remove the background, which is the subject of another video. Now for the second prompt, I'm adding a totally different prompt style. T-shirt design, a rugged mountain landscape at sunset with a silhouette of a hiker standing on a peak. And this time I'm adding text to the prompt to see how the result is going to look like. And as you know, usually many of the AI tools do not get results in perfect text. Let's see what we are getting here. Again, I added the on a plain background and contour to the rest of the prompt, and this time the results are perfect. The text is great. The style and the structure of the design is perfect, and both options that were generated are amazing. And again, you just need to download the design, and of course the design needs to be upscaled, and the background needs to be removed before uploading it to any POD website. So let's try the anime model with the same prompt to see how the results are going to look. And as you can see, the results are totally different. We cannot use these results for print on demand. That's why we have to stick to the other model, the PolyArt model, whenever we use Vivago.ai. For the following prompt, I'm going to use a totally different style. I'm going to add a vibrant tropical beach scene featuring a charming turtle. I'm adding at the end of the prompt on a white background similar to the previous one. However, this prompt has some specific details about the background. It's describing the background is a radiant blue sky adorned with fluffy cotton candy clouds, creating a carefree, sun-soaked atmosphere on a white background. So it's like I'm giving some detailed background structure here, which might not be perfect for a clean background. And let's see how the result is going to look like. So as expected, we get a cool, nice result, but this is not perfect for print on demand. The style of the background is totally busy and heavy, so this cannot be used for print on demand. So let's rework our prompt. I'm going to change part of the prompt. So I removed the on a white background part to see how it's going to work, but I still added the word contour, and we still got a nice and cool design. But again, we cannot use it for print on demand. And again, I'm going through the process step by step to show you how you can enhance your prompt and your design to get the perfect output out of it, so that you can use it for print on demand websites. So this time I'm removing the detailed illustration of the background. I'm going to write, so this time I'm removing the detailed illustration of the background to see what I'm gonna get. So I removed the detailed illustration of the sky. I only added on a plain black background contour. I totally removed the description of my background with the skies, the blue sky and the clouds. And this time we got a much better result, very close to a print on demand design style with clean background. So this is how it works. Try to avoid detailed illustration of descriptions of your background and add on a white or a plain background to get the perfect result. So let's do something else. I'm going to add this part again, a bright blue sky with fluffy white clouds on a plain black background contour. So this time we even got a perfect result. We got our background but in a rounded shape, contour style, not in a busy background like before. And as you can see, the text is perfect. Surf's up, dude. This is the text that I added or that I use in the prompt. So in both prompts that I used, this one and the previous one, the text was perfect. The AI model is using perfect text shapes and styles that fits the design perfectly. So this is a great website to use completely for free. And also the result, the image, the generated image is perfect for print on demand, very sharp and clean. This is how you can alter and enhance your prompt to get the better result or the best result that fits print on demand. And our final prompt says a cartoon graffiti illustration of a boar wearing sunglasses and a bandana riding a Harley Davidson motorcycle. I'm using also text in this prompt. The text "boar to be wild" is written above the boar on a plain black background contour. Again, the results are perfect. Clean background that can be removed easily, and a very nice text, clear text and font. And as you can see, no spelling mistakes in the typography. So press on the image enhancer and upload your image. By the way, you can upload any image to the image enhancer, whether it is generated by the Vivago website or not. And then you will have the option to upscale your image by 2 times or by 4 times. For this video, I'm going to press on the upscale 2 times option to see how it is going to work. And the final result is totally amazing. On the right side, we can clearly see that the lines are very sharp and very clean compared to the one on the left. So the upscaled image is much better compared to the original image. All the lines are sharp, and even the colors are much brighter compared to the original image. And this is how you can upscale your images so easily on the 𝗣𝗟𝗨𝗦 website. And you can download the upscaled website, remove its background, and upload it to the print on demand website or your store. And for removing the background, you can watch my previous video where I have explained how to remove the background using free tools. That's it for today's video. If you liked or if you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and subscribe for additional or for future design tutorials. Thanks for watching.